Yo, what is going on, guys? It is TechTriggr here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a cool piece of software, and this software is called BootSkin. And as the name suggests, this is a tool to customize your BootSkin. And now it is a free and unsupported product by Stardock, and this was made back during the days of Windows XP and Windows Vista. And this also contains a separate version for Windows Vista. You can download it if you want, but today we're going to be focusing on BootSkin for Windows XP. So without further ado, let's get started. And also, introducing our brand new wallpaper. Provide the download link in the description if you want, really. Yeah, let's get into the video. Anyways, so here it is. We're going to be clicking on the download button. And of course, I'm not using Internet Explorer. I'm using a browser called MyPal or whatever you may call it. This is still supported in Windows XP in 2021, which is a pretty great thing. But anyway, we're going to be clicking on BootSkinXP download. So here we have our sexy installer of Windows 9X anyone. Then click on next, and install it. And you check launch BootSkin and hit finish. So now the default theme is the default system boot screen. But what if we want to change it? There's a lot of themes here. The BOS one, I should preview it. It gives a nostalgic look to your system. And like Tune Boot, which is the actual site which is used to get more themes. And yeah, actually, if you don't like any of these themes, you could go double click this and it'll take you to a website. So here we could search up for everything. And also, if you're wondering what this Tune Boot is, it's the Wincustomize frog there. And what we're gonna be doing is it's searching up for Mac OS and let's see what results we get. So we got our Mac OS X style themes, and this was made by Nonkel Adolf. And wait, where's the download button? And now when you click on the download button, it should download a .bootskin file, which you could use for the Stardock boot screen. And here we go. It's now automatically imported, or you can even click on this, click on import from file, and import the .bootskin file. Looks pretty great. And if you click on apply, it's going to be applying. And now so actually let me reboot to demonstrate this to you. Now click on turn off computer, restart. So alright guys, here it is. As you can see here, the boot screen is selling Mac OS X, and it's showing a little loading screen there. Bam! It gets to the login screen after the boot up. Oh, what the heck? There we go. Oh, that was a pretty great boot, except the startup sound. So alright guys, here we are at BootSkin back again, and basically that's all for this program. But I'm just gonna show you something interesting. Tell you guys the whole Stardock programs, and this is the Start 11. We covered it in the video, and a lot of apps. And here we get into the Stardock Classics. This is where BootSkin, Tweak 7, Keep Safe, Desktop X, and Logon Studio comes in. So actually, this Logon Studio is to customize your login screen, and the good thing about it is it even works with Windows 7, which means you can customize everything. And here's the right-click menu, which we'll cover later. And there's like a lot of softwares to do upcoming videos on, basically. And I think I'll be exploring this program in the next video. And also, I'm not gonna be showing the Windows Vista variant. Maybe I'll do it in the next video, or else I won't. I'm not sure. But also, I want to point out, this video is not sponsored by Stardock or any other company. And also guys, if you're wondering how could I make my own BootSkin, basically there are two ways. So they actually have a tutorial here that you could read. Here's the BootSkin tutorial. Actually it's most of a Wincustomize tutorial from Wincustomize.com, and you definitely require a editing software like Photoshop CS or stuff. Or if you want to be very basic, you could go with Windows Paint. And yeah, there's a whole tutorial on this. But the other way, so somebody are claiming that they could make what? Who's that doggo? Design bootskins using this app called Skin Studio. Basically, this is just a skin editor for Windows 7 and up, and you could even use Windows blinds. But I don't know. Maybe I could cover it in a future video. Sorry guys, that's all for today's video, and hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please hit the like button and get subscribed to my channel for more videos like this. And also comment down below if I want to make a lot of future videos using this Stardock softwares. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.